Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. This is the summer series because it's August and it's really hot outside. So we're filming inside the garage and look all around the Guru. He has copper tubing and pipe and some PVC. Is that the right initials? Anyway, today's...
It's not PCP.
Okay. Today's episode is about pipes or something like that. And now here's the Compressor Guru.
Hi. You know, guys, I ought to turn a camera on her when she's doing the introductions because she just grins while she's talking. I think you can hear the grin, can't you? Anyway, guys, I get calls all the time. This check valve came back partly because the part number got screwed up by the customer. I get calls from customers all the time and they say, I need to replace the check valve. What size is it? Well, I measured the threads and the threads measured 7/8, so it's 7/8 pipe thread. There's no such thing. And to the guy that recently called me, I'm not making fun of you. This happens all the time. So I know what size this is, but I want to show you something. I have my caliper set to read in fractions of an inch. And that measures 1 3/64.
Lower it.
You don't have to zoom in.
Lower it. I have already zoomed in. Ah.
There's no pipe thread 1 3/64. So what this is a 3/4 by 3/4 pipe or check valve. Now, guys,
How did you figure that out?
Well, I know what it is. I know what the part number is. But, guys, basic plumbing rules. Tubing is measured by the outside diameter. We're going to measure that. And you should read 3/8. But my thing just... Yep. I wasn't quite on it right.
Turn it down a little bit.
But that's 3/8 copper tubing. Tubing is measured on the outside diameter. Okay? This tube right here is that should be 3/4. Is that what it came up?
Just a minute, I've got to find it. 3/4.
3/4. Now, if you measure the inside of it, get 37/64. There's no 37/64 tubing made. Tubing is measured on the outside diameter. That's how you size your tubing. Now on pipe, got a couple fittings here. On pipe, your pipe size is measured off of the inside diameter. And that should read 1/2 inch, but I missed it. But this is a 1/2 inch, and your pipe is measured on the inside diameter. And I'm not going to show that to you because I couldn't get it to hit 1/2 inch.
Well, if you can't get it to hit a 1/2 inch, how are they going to?
I don't know.
Oh.
But it's
This is really cool that you have a digital one of these doodads.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty cool.
I thought you had to always...
And we can go, and it will go in millimeters. It'll go in 0.1 inch, so it's not fractional, but decimal in inches, and then it's fractional in inches. It's a pretty nice little one. Anyway, so your pipe is measured ID.
ID?
Yeah, like identification? No, internal or inside diameter. This one is 1.25 inches, and it and you got to know your sizes, because this is 1.25 inches, but that doesn't show up true. Now I'll tell you where it does show up perfectly true at. Now this is 1.25 inches, this is half inch. When you get to your PVC, let's measure the outside diameter of this, and we have 2 3/8. But that's, I'm sorry, trust me, don't follow that. But it's 2 3/8. But you know what the actual size of this is? Because it's pipe, it's 2 inch. It's 2 inch.
Show me how you did that. Show me how you did the 2 inch. Because you're whipping right through those.
I'm sorry. So I get the calipers on the inside, and that's 2 inch.
And that's
Okay.
what it read as.
Well, I read 2 3/64. That's not a quarter, it's not even an eighth.
Right.
But, so your ID on pipe is the measurement. The hard part is, we get to the check valve, and this is 3/4, but there's no way to get your measurement off the inside of this like you do the inside of the pipe. So the best thing you can do, and I should have grabbed a 3/4 elbow. This is pretty cool. There's a 3/8 elbow. Now I can't measure the inside because it won't measure right. It will measure well over 3/8. But on a lot of fittings, on pipe fittings, they will show you, see, 2 inch, 3/8, and they'll show you the size of your pipe on your fittings. So if you pull a check valve and you go, I don't know what size that is, go to your local plumbing shop or hardware shop, grab and get in the bin and go, okay, that's not it. That's not it. And sort through till you find the 3/4 fitting, and you go, oh, that threads, that's 3/4. But don't measure these threads and go, geez, that's 1 1/16 inch thread. It's not. It's a 3/4 pipe thread. Remember, your pipe is measured ID, your tubing is measured OD. Don't measure pipe
OD?
outside diameter,
Oh.
not the dog in Garfield.
Okay.
But if you measure your pipe threads and call me with that, I'm going to go, no, that's not right. And this is a regular phone call. So it's a short episode today.
Well, wait, you have this cool little tool that does this. I don't have that tool at my shop.
I'm not giving you this one.
I have a roller.
You know, the rest of this episode's irrelevant. That's the lesson. When you're measuring pipe, inside diameter for pipe, outside diameter is for tubing. Don't call me and say, hey, I got a 7/8 pipe thread, because there's no such thing. You got to figure out what the actual pipe size is, because you're killing me, woman.
I was just zooming in, and you moved it. Okay.
The lesson
Folks,
for today, kids.
I'm gonna sum this up for you. Like and subscribe. This is not an episode where he's gonna call me Gracie, even though he probably will. But that was 2 simple rules. I just wanted to say, you know, not everybody has the handy dandy little tools you do. So it's important, if you just take a straight roller or a tape measure, you can do this, right?
Say goodnight, Gracie. Like and subscribe, folks. We have all kinds of check valves and plenty of other brass controls. If you need anything, contact us through thecompressorguru.com. God bless. Have a great day.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Gracie.
Hey, we've been doing inventory, so I know we do have some of this stuff. Yeah. Have a good day.